iCreatable Shed Plans is here to help you build the perfect storage shed so you can reclaim your garage. Building an 8x12 backyard storage shed is the perfect way to declutter your home and garage and to get the things in your life organized. We have over 20 8x12 shed plans. Each shed is designed with unique features to meet your specific needs. Visit iCreatables.com to see the world's largest and most comprehensive how to build a shed library. It includes detailed text and image-based instructions. There are also how-to videos showing how to build a backyard storage shed and a lean-to shed plan. If you are in the planning stages and need a materials list to get current pricing, you can download a free materials list for any of our shed plans by clicking on the link at the bottom of each shed plans page. These are some of the beautiful sheds built by customers using our 8x12 shed plans. Our goal at iCreatables.com is to help you reclaim your garage. Check out our YouTube channel, iCreatables TV, to see all of our 8x12 shed building plans and many more shed building resources.